warmest welcome to all the honorary secretaries, directors, deputy directors from different states, industry leaders, stakeholders, and other officials, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, on behalf of the club and government of Tripura, I extend my warmest welcome to each one of your consultation on investment promotion in the Northeastern region. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin our inaugural session,
everyone, to formally conclude this inaugural session of the stakeholder consultation.
The Northeastern region has truly laid a foundation for our further discussions ahead. Thank you so much, sir, once again.
Investment in Northeastern region. I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to the chief guest.
Under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura.
Now to officially express the gratitude towards all the guests, I request
associations and investors. I would like to warmly welcome. They all are focusing mainly on the investments. Major outreach programs are being held by the central government also. States also have had their summits like Assam, Advantage Assam was there. Meghalaya did it in March, Tripura did in February. You must have attended these also. Now these MOUs which have been signed, now this includes only till the last, say, roadshow, to about, say, 786 MOUs with 1,16,000 crore investments are being signed. And I would like to draw your attention to the last column, where grounding means actually we have given the land, we have given permissions and the work is started. So in Tripura we have 58 out of 113. Means more than half of these are grounded. So at the same time I am talking for the Northeast, and I am also pitching for the state of Tripura because you all are here. And let me tell you, in this hall there are 51 investors and there are 51 officers also. So in Delhi also you saw in our stall. For each department we had 2 to 3 officers, and today after this inaugural session, all officers will stay back and they'll discuss each and every proposal with you. And I request at least you apply for land, you apply for a single window permission for all licenses, permits, and in case of any specific customized policy you want approval from IPA, you give a proposal so that your visit and today consultation will be meaningful. Now, challenges, bottlenecks, we have mentioned that you all are knowing this. Mainly the land issues are there are communication issues, but then when we all will come together, this all will fall in line. These are legacy issues. It is not that this cannot be overcome. With the joint effort of the central government, with the state government, we can really overcome these. Business reforms, that you must be aware that in last year, Tripura is one of the few states who have done 100% reforms. So this fact was also mentioned by Honorable CM Sir in the Niti Aayog meeting. Also, we are the one of
here that we are one of the first state to pass the Tripura Jan Vishwas Ordinance 2025, decriminalizing the provision in state acts and rules and repealing the obsolete laws. Under the guidance of Task Force on Deregulation set up in the Cabinet Secretary, we are reducing the compliance burden in state laws, regulation of the local bodies, industrial corporations and utility providing agencies. The government of Tripura has adopted a focused approach to attract and facilitate investments built on the following pillars: implementation of ease of doing business reforms, including online approvals and single window clearance, development of land banks and dedicated industrial estates, promotion through sector-specific promotional events, continuous engagement with investors including regular follow-up, and further to that investment proposals are being facilitated through different policy reforms, announcement of new policies and schemes, etc. The state government of Tripura has launched several policies to promote investment in the state like Tripura Industrial Investment Policy, IT Policy, Agar Policy, Tourism Policy, Startup Policy, Electric Vehicle Policy, and so on. With targeted policies, financial linkages, and innovative business models, Tripura aspires to lead by example in realizing the vision of a sustainable, inclusive and circular economy. Further to that, the state government has also come with several amendments of the Tripura Industrial Investment Promotion Incentives Scheme 2022 with inclusion of additional benefits of customized incentives to mega projects. Significant developments have been undertaken to strengthen industrial infrastructure in the state by availing a $85.4 million ADB loan funding, wherein power, roads, then plug-and-play infrastructure and warehousing facilities, etc. are being developed. The Tripura Industrial Development Corporation is executing a robust expansion plan involving development of 1,500 plus acres of new industrial zones, creation of sector-specific industrial parks, and in addition, land parcels along key transport corridors are being developed to cater to investor demand. Further to that, to ensure integrated development, TIDC has been empowered as an industrial planning and development authority with functions including planning of mixed-use industrial townships, provision of housing, health, education and civic infrastructure within industrial zones, environmental sustainability, zoning regulations and smart infrastructure development. There are more than 86,117 micro, small and medium enterprises in Tripura state. They are facing critical challenges of financial support, institutional strengthening, market access and sustainability. We have taken a project for forming 32,000 MSMEs, significantly enhancing their operational and financial capabilities. Tripura has a strong base of 60,318 self-help groups with 5,49,559 SHG members and more than 1 lakh Lakpati Didis. We are encouraging members of self-help groups to become entrepreneurs by availing benefits of promotional incentive policy for MSMEs.
And DPIIT Ministry of Rural should come so that we can accelerate, so that they can give suggestions that what should be industry policy.
ये हुआ है और आज फर्स्ट मीटिंग है, तो क्या आशा
फर्स्ट मीटिंग नहीं है, थर्ड मीटिंग है।
फिजिकली फर्स्ट मीटिंग है, तो कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट का आशा आप लोग रखते हैं और इससे त्रिपुरा को किस तरह का बेनिफिट हमारा
नहीं देखिए, अभी कुछ दिन पहले आपको मालूम है मुझे कन्वेनर बनाया गया है हाई लेवल टास्क फोर्स पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन में इन्वेस्ट का जहाँ तक सवाल है, तो उसमें आप देख चुके हैं। कुछ दिन पहले हम लोग दिल्ली गए थे और वहाँ जाके जो मऊ हुआ है, उस मऊ में त्रिपुरा जो स्टॉल है उसमें हमने देखा सबसे ज़्यादा भीड़ था। तो आप समझ रहे हो त्रिपुरा का स्टॉल में इतना भीड़ है और टोटल नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन में अबाउट 30,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ और उसमें आउट ऑफ 30,000 करोड़ का जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का मोह हुआ है उसमें 15,800 के ऊपर त्रिपुरा में अभी मोह हुआ है और उसमें से अबाउट 65 और 64 करीब मोह हुआ था। उसमें आज जो है 49 जो मोह हुआ है, ये लोग अभी आज त्रिपुरा में आए हैं और मैंने देखा डिफरेंट जो एस्पेक्ट्स है उसमें मोह कर रहे हैं। कोई मेडिकल कॉलेज खोलना चाहते हैं, कोई यहाँ पर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जैसे गैस के ऊपर काम करना चाहते हैं, कोई एजुकेशन में काम करना चाहते हैं और कोई प्लाईवुड बनाना चाहते हैं, कोई बेम्बू के ऊपर काम करना चाहते हैं। तरह तरह के लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं और हमने उनको वेलकम किया, आइए और त्रिपुरा को समझिए जो आप अपना घर में आए हो। ये लोग भी बहुत खुश थे आज और बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत सारा ये इन्वेस्टर्स यहाँ पर आए हैं और हम लोग चाहते हैं जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी में इतना कम्युनिकेशन का डेवलप किया है, अब रेलवे से शुरू करके एयरवे से शुरू करके रोड सभी चीज़ में इतना कम्युनिकेशन जब डेवलप किया है उसको हम लोग क्यों ना उसको मैंने उसका एडवांटेज ले। तो उस हिसाब से अभी बाहर से बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन भी अच्छा है इसीलिए सब आ रहे हैं। तो मैं समझता हूँ त्रिपुरा के लिए फ्यूचर जो है इट इज़ ब्राइट।
Along with, we also extend our warmest welcome to all the honorary secretaries, directors, deputy directors from different states. industry leaders, stakeholders, and other officials, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, on behalf of the club and Government of Tripura, I extend my warmest welcome to each one of your consultation on investment promotion in the Northeastern region. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin our inaugural session,
Everyone, to formally conclude this inaugural session of the stakeholder consultation.
the Northeastern region has truly laid a foundation for our further discussions ahead. Thank you so much, sir, once again.
Investment in Northeastern region. I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to the chief guest.
Ministry of Donor, under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura.
Guidance. Now to officially express the gratitude towards all the guests, I request
Associations and investors. I would like to warmly welcome. They all are focusing mainly on the investment.